Pretty Nunes, he laughed out loud. You know, this is such a worth of investments. I have my condensed glue gels and all the way in to the end, and it's still a lot in there because it's so thick density, and I'm applied it on, and it still a lot for me to do in like at least several, even the clients and live videos. Make sure you close this. It's gonna protect yours. And I'm using my months travels back and forth. It doesn't do a thing for me as long as after I pick up my condensed glue gel, applies, and wipe off my brush really good. Just don't leave any residue of your condensed glue gel because they're so thick density. And if you just leave it there and you accidentally just put it like the cap right on, it's gonna get all the gooey of your condensed glue gel here, and it's gonna start getting really damaged for your brush. So I'm gonna wipe it first, and then I put the cap on. I have one of my I'm not gonna lie to you, okay, is one of my twin tip brush. I keep it on my side that no one can use sharing with me when I'm doing a trade show, we sharing and stuff, but I keep mine off the side, so it's, one of them will last me good like 2 years, if not longer. I still have that like old visions of our twin tip brush. So just how we take care of it. And then no wipe top coat on the top of our condensed glue gels. So if you wipe off all the excess condensed glue gels on the brush before you put the cap on, it will help so much, and it will protect your twin tip brush for a long time. So there are a bigger one, and then the bigger one and a smaller one. So let me see if I can do the little one. Should I do on the side? I like it. I want to show this one off right here.
Just a few crystal.
Does it?
Just a few crystal refugee. And save the glitter at the bottom.
Oh, Hugh doesn't want me to cover some of it. Because if no one can stop me, I'm going to keep going. And a lot of people say to Nancy, it less us more. I think it's more is better. Okay, watch what I'm doing. I kept thinking of green.
Yeah, do green.
Green. And see, I have my homework prepared for everyone, and then now I changed my mind. It's just so tempting. Give me the green. Oh my God, look. If we're doing encapsulating, they're so thin. I'm so obsessed with this. We can do condensed glue gel maybe tomorrow, or tomorrow we'll do different content, and the next day, which is on Thursday, we can do something fun with that condensed glue gel encapsulating. Not this green, that green. This one.
One bright green?
Yeah. Because if we put darker green, it looks like Christmas time. And we're not doing Christmas in July.
Might as well.
No. Should we do Christmas in July? I don't think so.
That's a good movie. Or is it even a movie?
No. We're not like in the dealer, like Christmas in July, or Macy Christmas in July. All right. Can I have some gold? I see that gold right? The yellow right here. Gold.
Yeah, you got it. This is like more amber one. Warmer.
Thank you. Oh, here's something, a tip and trick too. Beside my tray, crystal tray, and the kits that I have this for my traveling. Just for your information, because live ass were asking me how I organize. I have probably quite at least a lot. I have probably about all together a 30 different stack like this. Actually, my stack 6, and I'm going by number. So then every time I put it, after live videos, or if I have a client or a travel, I put it back into where it belongs to the number. And then, so then never being like one on the top of the wrong one. So that just for your information, if you want to know. I put the number here so it's never go wrong on the colors or the wrongs, whatever it is called that. But beside the kits that I have all different designs, but this is like for my a lot others, like a lot of other colors than you would think. I will continue sharing a lot of different cool fun idea for all of you to join and support, because then that way you can keep yours. Like everybody have a different way to keep it. I think it's kind of fun to share to each other. If I get some cool ideas, I would definitely would love to share with everyone. So then we can all learn from each other's. And
Yep, so the lady asked where'd you get these little roll for?
you know, you can get something similar like this. I got several different ones. You can get it from Joanne Fabric, Michael's, or you can get it from Walmart or Target or some section with stuff like that. This is one for me to travel, so it's really compact for me. And also I take my crystal kits with me. I take quite several of them because it has all of my special shape. I have that. The kits, can I get the kits right over there? I probably have like 30 rows of this too. So, do you like it like this? Because I'm gonna start packing like.
You show the kid later.
Oh, okay, I'm gonna show the kids later. Oh, I don't know. I don't want it. Oh, looks so cute. You know this this stackable jars like that, it doesn't look crazy fancy, but hey, it works for me when I traveling. I have probably about 30 of them with different charms, because every time we got the new charms in, I will try to stay really cool and organized, because it can be overwhelming me when I get prepping for the live video to share with all of you. So oh my god, okay. I really like it. I start getting my crystal over my charms Gucci now. It's get to take.
Keep it like that.
Yeah.
Maybe put some little thing on the side, just to cover it. Put, careful. Yeah, put a little thing on the side, and you're good to go.
I'm gonna borrow the. Okay, can I get my frame? Oh, here, let me show you this. I have so many of them, so I have to show you this. Here is my glitter for travel. Sorry, I grabbed that, so I want to show you. I put the number in it so they're not gonna go off, because if you put the 28 on the 26, it's gonna twist off. It's gonna go zigzag like that. So if you're doing it right by order, it will always lie up the street. Oh, hold on. Let me show. Can I borrow this? So I put all my charms in one sections here. Difference of them, like charm 1, charm 2s, rose gold, all of that. So just in case that if you don't have the crystal kits like this, and you can also do something like that. This one's my crystal kits. I have it. So it's keep me organized, and the lids close tight.
Where's the tray?
I have a lot of tray over there.
Have some?
This must be my tray I dropped.
Yeah.
And the draw knob, just in case you were curious, I can't wait to do it again. It's back in the stock now. It's so stunning. I love that draw knob. if you do these nails for the clients, a lot of my clients love the really cool soundings. You could upcharge the service of these nails at least $15 to $20 per nails. Really dramatic. Did I miss it?
There you go.
Oh, okay, sorry. No, you want this right here? So if live rest here, that's how I organize my, and I have a lot of more. I will definitely shows in each different video. So to support all of you, see if you have any question like how I storage my crystals, so then it won't be scratching and it won't be messy. Lorena's, I know, they're so cute, right? Super cute. I love them. They're super cute and it's really easy to do and easy to use. Didn't give you a hard time at all. So if the clients don't want any beads on, you can absolutely looks great. I think it looks good already, but I just want to make it looks like there. It looks cute and finish.
If Alex asked you how we should price this one.
How would you price this one at the salons? I would love to hear from you because I would share with you how you can price for the clients without hesitations, without feeling bad that you overcharge. You do not overcharge the clients. Make sure you do not overcharge, and also you don't want to be undercharged for your works, for your beautiful the accessory you get. So
then would you do break down how much that nail would cost?
Oh, is that a question for me?
Yeah, that's a question.
Oh, question for me. Okay. So with this, when you consult with the clients for this, for instance, if I just doing a crystal placements only, this crystal placements only is cost at least $15, if not more. I would not suggest to do less. I would not suggest to do $5 or $7. This have to be $15 of your crystal placement. And don't feel bad when you're sharing with the clients. You just want to be honest with them. Like say, if you want like 3 crystal or 5 crystal halo on the cuticles area, then at $5 with no beads and no other metallic charms and arts there. But if you're using like halos with your beads, then it's $10, $7 to $10. But if you're doing all the different crystal colors and your charms in here, this nails could be $15 with the beads. It could be $12 without the beads. But then if you have encapsulating your dramatic glitters, like touch of color underneath, and then you put your like dramatic glitter is it designs in here, so at least is for each nails will be $7. So if, for instance, if you're doing this nails crystal placements, it's gonna be, for instance, is $15, for instance, right? $15 or $20. It really depend on the salon location. And then you can do that $15 and $7, so it's $22 per nails. However, if you're doing this one at your salons, it can be run like this. If the clients want to do the whole set, here's how I break down that every single nail. For instance, if the client's doing solid colors of the nails and they only want nails designed like this, when you do two nails on the ring fingers, that how each nails will be cost $22 to $25 each nail. And then when you explain it, break it down for each different techniques and different accessory clients.